perspective, right? If you have a healthy perspective over life, meaning that even when life gets hard or even when life is grand, you're always able to kind of have like a outside view of everything that's happening in your life with the purpose of being curious and someone who is very observant, right? So it's like, oh my goodness, like I'm so blessed to live this life. Like I love, love what I do, all the things. It's really easy to be that way when things are going well. But it's also really, it's a beautiful skill set to have when things are not going well, right? And still being able to shift your focus on what are the things that I can still hold on to for gratitude? What are the things that are going well? Who are the people that love me? Even though I'm going through a really hard time in my life, who can I reach out to for support? Knowing that this is never the end and that there is always a solution if you're willing to sit in the discomfort for just a little bit until you find clarity, right? And if you are in business, you know that like that happens all the time. It's up and down, it's up and down, it's up and down.